the 2009 Hyundai Sonata. With fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sedan prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front bucket seats, air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, power windows, an overhead console, and remote keyless entry. Hyundai ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, including just one previous owner. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.